Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur More and I am an English and Essays teacher in Southern English Medium School at Nataduna. So we continue our chapter, right? Now we reach to last page of this chapter, right? Vipin lapses memory, lapse of memory. So this one very interesting chapter. Now last point of this chapter. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. When he's getting off the train, when he reached at Ranchi morning, right, he realized that he had never been to Ranchi. He just realized that because when he just put down his foot on the platform of Ranchi, so he just realized that I have never been to in this place at this place. He come out of the station and took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. Then after he just took a taxi and just drove around the area of that particular town for a few times. He realized that the street, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaars, the Morabbadi hills, with none of this had he the slightest acquaintances, right? That means he never been to a Ranchi, he never realized that place, he never seen this place at before, right? So the buildings, the hotels, bazaars and street, the bazaar, Murabbadi Hill, all the places they never been, he had never seen in his life. Still, would a trip to the Woodrow Falls help? He didn't believe. So, but at the same time, he didn't wish to leave with the feeling that he hadn't tried enough. So now he realized that he had never been to Ranchi. They feel that because there is no recall when he was driving surrounding the cities, town, the Ranchi. There is no recall. There is no clue that recall the memory because the only one thing she just realized that I has to be visit the Woodrow Falls and I want to go there. That decide that time and finally decided I just want to visit the Woodrow Falls and so something help will I get from that place. So that particular feeling that he very had tried enough. So I just want to try my best to recall my memory. So that some समथिंग इनसाइड द कि मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया पूरे 100% एफर्ट नहीं किया दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स द गोइंग ऑन इन हिज माइंड सो दिस दैट्स व्हाई ही जस्ट वांट टू ट्राई he just want to visit the Woodrow Falls because he don't want to feel himself same. So he arranged for a car and left for Woodrow in the afternoon. So that's why he just went to the Woodrow Falls and he arranged car for a Woodrow Falls and he went to Woodrow Falls in the afternoon. At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Woodrow's, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discover Bipin Babu lying unconscious beside a boulders. Wow. Now at 5 o'clock the same afternoon that explained by the that his friend that man in Woodrow Falls, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers that the two Gujarati people who just came for a picnic and all that. They discovered Bipin Babu just laying unconscious. He just laying down unconscious on the floor on the road unconscious. He has no awareness. He just unconscious beside the boulder. When he came round, the first thing Bipin Babu said was, I am finished. There is no hope left. So when he visited Woodrow Falls, they saw the Woodrow Falls, but they didn't realize, they didn't recall anything. They just unconscious. And the two gentlemen Gujarati people who just kept kept that Bipin Babu and he just help to the Bipin Babu. They saw that the Bipin Babu is unconscious, and then when Bipin Babu got up, the Bipin Babu only one sentence said, "I am finished. I am finished. There is no hope left. There is no hope left." Next morning, Bipin Babu was back in Kolkata. So next morning, he is back to Kolkata because when he visited the Hudro Falls, so he had no memorize. He had no recall anything. He hadn't recall anything. So he just felt unconscious. And two Gujarat people who helped him out. But so after we got up now, then he said only one line, "I am finished and there is no hope left." So with the bad heart, he just went back in Kolkata. He realized that there was truly no hope for him because he tried himself best, but he hadn't recall anything. He visited Hudro Fort. He surrounding the all the cities, areas, places which is explained by some explained by them, right? But he didn't realize. So he just feel very bad, and there was no hope for him like this way. He just finally believed that he lost his mind like this way. Soon he would lose everything: his will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. That then after he lose everything, because he realized that one incident which has happened in my life, and I just forget it. So that particular thing is he can't erase from his mind. That's why Bipin Babu lost everything like his will to work. That means intends to work, confidence, ability, balance of mind. Everything he lose. Was he going to end up in the Islamite? That means he's just going to the end now in this bad condition. Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore. He didn't think anymore. He has not ability to think like this. Back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. When he was back up home, and he just rang up to Dr. Chanda and asked to Dr. Chanda, "Please come to home and please look at me. Please look out me. Please check me, whatever." Then, after a shower, he got into bed with an ice pack clamped on his head. Then he just took a shower, and then he into bed. Just he got into bed, and with an ice bag, he has an ice bag, and he just clamped on his head like this way because he had a very hot like thing way. So he just want to calm his head. That's why he just put a ice bag on his head. Just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. Then after his servant brought him a letter. Just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. So his servant, you can see in the picture, he just gave to letter to Bipin Babu. Someone who drop into into letter box. Someone who had left in the letter box. He just brought him a letter. Greenish envelope with his name in red ink on it. So in the greenish envelope, and with his name is a red link. The red link above the name it said urgent and confidential. So he just explained that this is very urgent and confidential, very private. In the spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. So in the condition is very bad, and the Bipin Babu said that it's feeling that he ought to go to the letter. He just think that he has to go to the letter or not. He tore open the envelope. He just tore open the envelope and took out the letter, and then took out the letter. This is what he read. What he read? Hear about it. What exactly in the letter? Here the letter is. Dear Bipin, I had no idea that influence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. Yeah. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I used in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. Right. You will be all right again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If he likes it enough, it will see me through the next few months. Your Chunila. So that letter was from Chunilal. Chunilal explained his condition, his bad condition, when he also visit the Bipin Babu for a job, for help, but Bipin Babu just in the ignorance behavior. So this is letter about it. Then what happened next? We're going to learn. When Dr. Chanda came, Bipin Babu said, "I am fine." It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. So when when the Dr. Chanda came to visit the Bipin Babu to observe the Bipin Babu, right? So Bipin Babu said that I am fine and it all came back soon as, so I am very fine and everything now cool, and I got off the train at Ranchi, right? So when I got off the train at Ranchi, I all came back as soon as I got. A unique case, said Dr. Chanda. Dr. Chanda said it was a very unique case. I shall certainly write about it a medicine journal. That teaches writers of few medicines. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu, that is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. The reason why I sent for you, the reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu said that one the reason that I sent for you is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall, hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. That he had a fall on the Ranchi, na? That one the heel at that particular place. So he just want to cure it. That's why Dr. Chanda called. That's why Bipin Babu called to Chanda, Dr. Chanda. If you could prescribe a painkiller, so just Bipin Babu said only one painkiller can you prescribe me, like this way. Story about Satyajit Ray, there's a writer Satyajit Ray. Very interesting story, this one. I really liked it. I hope you also liked it. Student, I will send you all the comparison checks and solution of this chapter today itself on our WhatsApp group. So please look out it. Clear? So please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, have a nice day. This one is very interesting. Finally Bipin Babu realizes that all these things, all this incident and all this drama was created by Chunilal, his childhood friend. And he realized that that man was not he's saying he finally Bipin Babu never been to Ranchi. Okay. All things which is created by, pretend by Chunilal, because of Chunilal want to recall everything about his friendship, about his condition. So that why punish, like as a punishment kind of act did by Chunilal for Bipin Babu. So very funny and very inspiration message which is we can get from this chapter. Okay, we always help to our friend as according to our capacity. Right. So please, now this chapter is finished. Next chapter, according to our timetable, we will upload on YouTube, our channel. So all the comparison check solution I will send you on YouTube. I will send on our WhatsApp group. So please touch with the groups every days you have to check. Right. So please stay on, stay safe, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.